Don't know why I came in this club with you, girl. Don't know why I came in with the diamonds on my chain. Surrounded by bad bitches, I can't get them out my face. Is it cause a nigga handsome and wealthy? Is it cause a nigga cook like a professor? I don't know how you feel, can you tell me? I won't know how you feel till you tell me. Is it cause a nigga handsome and wealthy? Is it cause I'm a star? It maybe could be my star scale. Like my chain and ring. Watch it got 50 carat. It could be QC, or even maybe it's me. It could be Defo Wild with you shopping in Beverly. What's on your mind? I'm not genuine. I ain't tryna spend no time. I know my she's so fine, but I don't know what's on her mind. Got pay that cost to be a boss. I put on my little bitches playing golf. Go walking with the cross. I'm getting the balls like Viacom. Don't know why I came in this club with you, girl. Don't know why I came in with the diamonds on my chain. Surrounded by bad bitches, I can't get them out my face.
I might be too strung out on compliments, overdosed on confidence. Started not to give up and stop fearing the consequence. Drinking every night because we drink to my accomplishments. Faded way too long, I'm floating in and out of consciousness, and they saying I'm back. I'd agree with that. I just take my time with all this shit. I still believe in that. I had someone tell me I fell off, ooh, I needed that, and they wanna see me pick back up. Well, where I leave it at? I know I exaggerated things, now I got it like that. Tuck my napkin in my shirt 'cause I'm just mopping like that. You know good and well that you don't want a problem like that. You gon' make someone around me catch a body like that. No, don't do it, please don't do it. 'Cause one of us goes in and we all go through it. And Drizzy got the money, so Drizzy gon' pay it. Those my brothers, I ain't even gotta say it. That's just something they know. They know, they know, they know. They know, they know, they know. They know, yeah, they know, yeah. That the real is on the rise. The mother guys, I even gave them a chance to decide. Now it's something they know. They know, they know, they know. Yeah, I be yelling out money over everything, money on my mind. Then she wanna ask when it got so empty. Tell her I apologize, I've been overtime. She says they missed the old Drake, girl, don't tempt me. If they don't get it, they'll be over you. That new shit that you got is overdue. You better do what you supposed to do. I'm like, why I gotta be all that? But still I can't deny the fact that it's true. Listen to you expressing all them feelings. Soap opera rappers, all these sound like all my children. And that's who you thinking is about to come and make a killing. I guess it really is just me, myself, and all my millions. You know that they ain't even got it like that. You gon' hype me up and make me catch a body like that. 'Cause I live for this, it isn't just a hobby like that. When they get my shit and play it, I ain't even gotta say it, they know. They know, they know, they know. They know, they know, they know. Yeah, they know, yeah. That the real is on the rise. Them other guys, I even gave them a chance to decide. Now it's something they know. They know, they know, they know. I'm getting so cold. I ain't wait this hard since I was 18. Apologize if I say anything I don't mean. Like, what's up with your best friend? We could all have some fun, believe me. And what's up with these news? And why they think it all comes so easy? But get it while you here, boy. 'Cause all that hype don't feel the same next year, boy. Yeah. And I'll be right here in my spot with a little more cash than I already got. Tripping off you 'cause you had your shot. With my skin tan and my hair long. And my fans who've been so patient. Me and 40 back to work, but we still smell like a vacation. Hate your rumors, hate these allegations. I'm just feeling like the throne is for the taking. Watch me take. All I care about is money in the city that I'm from. I'ma sip until I feel it. I'ma sip until it's done. I don't really give a my excuses that I'm young and I'm only getting old. Somebody should've told you I'm all wrong. Yeah.